Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to import contacts into Zoho CRM in 2023. Zoho CRM is a powerful customer relationship management system that helps you manage and organize your contacts effectively. Importing contacts into Zoho CRM allows you to centralize your contacts information and streamline your sales and marketing efforts. So in this tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps of importing contacts into Zoho CRM. So let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser. And of course, in your case, you can go and open whatever browser you will have to use or your preferred browser. Then, of course, you'll have to go to the CRL section, type Zoho CRM, and hit the enter button. Go to this first link, and of course, you'll have to go log in into your account and click on sign in if you have an account. If you don't have an account, you can always go and click at sign up or create an account, and you'll be able to create your account. Of course, you'll be able to create your account or even logging in into your account with those options, which will prevent you from doing all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. As you can see, if you click on sign up, you'll be able even to sign up with your LinkedIn or Google. So let's just go with logging in into my Google account or signing up with my Google account. And of course, once I do so, as you can see, you'll have to agree to the terms of service and privacy policies. Make sure to go and read them both so you will not have any problem with them in the future as an example, and you will be aware of everything. Because a lot of people accept without reading, and so make sure just to read them before you agree, and make sure to go and click on create account. But if you have like an existing account, you can always go here and click on link account, and you'll be able to link your account from here. So at the moment, let's just go back home, and let's just log in into my accounts from the beginning with this account. And of course, I agree and accept and create account. So first, of course, the first step is to prepare your contact data for imports. Make sure your contact data is organized in a compatible format such as CSV or comma separated values or XLS or which is Microsoft Excel, and ensure that your contact data includes essential informations like name, emails, addresses, phone numbers, and any other relevant details you want to import into Zoho CRM. Then, once you logged in into your Zoho CRM account, make sure to navigate into the contacts module, and then you'll find an option called import. Click on it, which will take you to the Zoho import tool. So for me, I am here at the moment, and of course, you can simply go to groups here, and we'll be able to create new group. Here I'll find I'll have a lot of options here. So here you'll have to go and click at those points at the top left corner. Once you click on them, as you can see here, you will have to go, let's just go as an example here for, I don't know, I'm going for sheets. So I would like to get a place, but I don't know how to get it from here. Or here is, we can go work drive, I guess this one. Yeah, so once we are here, click on this 9 dots at the top right corner now. And here we will have to go and type contact, and as you can see, you'll find here contact manager, and this will take you to Bidgin, which made by Zoho CRM. So simply click on try for free and log in with the same account that you have on your Zoho accounts. So from there, we'll be able to import our contacts. It's going to be pretty simple. So let's just wait a bit here until they load the page for us. So here we are. We can simply go and enter those credentials as example. So as I'm just going to put here random things. I'm just going to click as explore. And here we can simply now go into contacts at this left panel. Once you do enter this contacts, as you can see, you'll find this option of contacts. So import contacts, you can import your existing contacts from a file or migrate your data from another CRM. So of course, you'll be able to do a lot of stuff. For me, I'm just going to click on skip. Click on contacts here, of course, if you want to add a contacts, or you click on this drop-down menu, then click on import contacts. From here, as we said, you'll be able to upload your file formats as CSV or XLS, as we said before. So here, of course, which is the file you've prepared, with your contact data, you can choose the appropriate file format once you click on upload. As you can see, the custom files will be XLS, XLSX, VCV, or CSV, not just those two. As I said, I don't know what those two means, but those the first one is Excel file, and the second one it's going to be comma separated values. So depending on your file, you'll normally find it here. Click on it and it will be uploaded. Once you do so, of course, you'll have to select the or choose an action. Then, of course, you'll have to map your data and do some additional options. Let me just explain those to you real quick. So the map field, of course, is just going to be in the step. You'll map fields in your contact data file and the corresponding fields in Zoho CRM. Zoho CRM will attempt to automatically map the field based on columns, headers, and common fields names. Review the field mapping and make any necessary adjustments and ensure that the essential contact information is correctly mapped, including names, email address, phone numbers, and any other relevant details that you added or that you have in the file. And once you're satisfied with the field mapping, click on next button. And of course, then you'll have to validate the import data, then review the import summary for everything. And then, of course, you'll be able to monitor your import progress. That's what I mean, of course, by additional options. So Zoho CRM will now import your contact data, and you can monitor your progress of the imports of the screen. Depending on the size of your contacts list, the imports process may take some time. So once the import is complete, you'll receive a notification. And after the import is finished, take some time to verify that the contacts have been successfully imported into your Zoho CRM and check that all the contact details are accurate and that no important information was missed, because always there is an option uh, of course, even the PC can make a mistake, or Zoho CRM, or this bidden. And of course, you can even make any necessary adjustments or updates as needed. As an example, if there's a problem, you can always go and add or change something depending on whatever you like, because no need to import the data from the beginning again. If you have just a problem with just few things, you can go and edit them directly from here. So if you reached this point of this video, congratulations, you have successfully imported your contacts into Zoho CRM. And of course, in 2023, so your contacts are now centralized and organized with Zoho CRM, enabling you to effectively manage and leverage your customer relationships. Of course, remember to regularly update and maintain your contact data in Zoho CRM to ensure its accuracy and relevance. So thank you for watching and best of luck with your contact management efforts in Zoho CRM. And if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe for our channel for more helpful tutorial like this one. And I will see you, of course, in the next video.